I want to show you how you can use items in your house to go ahead and get clean these little areas here. As you can see, the little outlines here, I've already wiped this down, but these are like little circles from where shampoo used to be and be standing, but it looks like maybe some soap scum or some stains on your bathtub. So we're going to try to get rid of these, and we just have some household items. So we got some baking soda, some white vinegar, and some dish soap here. First, I'm gonna put some vinegar in here. And that was maybe like 1/4 of a cup. I'm gonna go ahead and put in a little Dawn dish soap here. Then next comes the baking soda. Just gonna stir that up a little bit. And you'll get some fizzing here. This is almost to the top now, but it's kind of the reaction. So I'm gonna kind of pour this onto the stained areas. Looks kind of interesting. Almost looks like melted marshmallows. We'll go ahead and leave this on. I'm gonna add a little bit more baking soda. Use it as a micro abrasive when I come back and scrub it. Maybe give it like 15 minutes or so. We'll come back and see if we can scrub it and get those stains off. All right guys, it's been about 20 minutes. We've left this on to go ahead and clean. I've just got a microfiber cloth here. And let's go ahead and see what happens when we just go ahead and give it some scrubbing here. Baking soda on these areas here. A lot of times they just leave deposit of minerals and can kind of stain underneath where the bottles sit. All right, I've got a wet rag here, just some water. Go ahead and rinsing the stuff off here. I'm pretty satisfied with the results here. Definitely an improvement here. You can still kind of barely see something there and there, but it's a lot better than when we started. So without using any, store chemicals, we just had stuff around the house we could use. It worked out. And we go ahead and just put your shampoo bottles back, and go ahead and check out this next video here where I kind of compare CLR to vinegar when cleaning your drain.